Okay, recording. I'm sorry. Then I have a SSC equal SB and SW. But in general, I have a K group. And in general, I have many elements. Then I have another table. SSB calculates between group. SSW within group and sum SST. To calculate SST, using every member minus X bar. So for the degree of freedom, is n observation minus 1. But for SSB, how many group? You have a K group, you have a K X bar. But you minus X bar in general. For the degree of freedom is K minus 1. For SSE, you using every element, but you minus Kx bar. So for the degree of them is n minus k. Then you see n minus 1 equal to k minus 1 plus n minus k. Then after calculate SSB, SW, you calculate MSB equal to SSB divided to this. MSW equal to NSW divided to MSK. And after that, you calculate F ratio equal to this divided to this. I change the color to recognize it. This color is green color to recognize the difference. Okay. For F statistic using different color. Then testing the hypothesis, every mean are equal. If F ratio greater than F with 2 degree of freedom, K minus 1 and N minus K and alpha, then you reject it 0. Reject it 0. Therefore, what your conclusion? Reject it 0. At least one mean differ from the other, or the factor affect to the mean. Now, for example, I have one company with 3 factory. Then I have one factor. Factor divide my company into 3 group F1, F2, and F3. And remember, in group number 1, I have many person, but I survey only 5. Group number 2, I have many person, but I survey 6 only. And I have the salary. Firstly, I calculate the mean of 5%. In F1, I have 7.6. The mean of the second group, 7.5. The mean of the third group, 5.8. In the sample, it's so clear that mean of 3 groups are different. But remember, here's only the sample, not population. The overall mean of 16% is 7. Then now SST equal to 8 minus 7 square plus 6 minus 7 square until the last equal to 28. SST equal to 28. SSB 7.6 of the first group minus 8. However, in group number 1, I have 5%. If I multiply 5. Group number 2, you use 7.5 minus 7 and 6 member. they equal to 10.5. At SW, there are two ways to calculate. The easiest way equal to SST minus SB equal to 17.5. There's a way 8 minus 76 square plus 6 minus 76 square, blah, 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 blah. Then I have a 1 another table. SSB 10.5, SSW 17.5, 10.5, 17.5. And of course, SST equal to 28. This plus this equal to this. Now degree of freedom, why 2 here? Because K minus 1. That means equal to, how many K is? K 3. 3 group minus 1, therefore equal to 2. 13 equal to what? N minus K. And how much? 16. 16%. K 3. Okay? Therefore here N minus K. Y 15 here equal to N minus 1. And here is 16. Okay? Therefore 16. Okay? Therefore the calculation. MS this divided by 2, 5.25. This divided to 13, 1.346. F ratio equal to this. Is a green color, okay? Oh, too light. What's using? N equal to this number. It's the F ratio. F ratio. Then now apply F ratio to test hypothesis. Now my hypothesis is 0 mu 1 equal to mu 2 equal to mu 3. That means average salary in 3 groups are the same, or the factor does not affect to mean of salary of wage. And of course, that's 1. Therefore, factor affect to mean of wage. Then you have an F statistic equal to 3.9. I will calculate it. Now, F critical at 5% equal to F of what? And a K minus 1, M minus K, and alpha. Therefore, equal to F K, how much? 3 minus 1, 16 minus 3, 0.05. Okay. Here is 2 and 16, 13. Okay. 0.05. You can check in the table. F 3 here, 13. I'm sorry, 2, not 3. 3.81. 3.81. Therefore, F statistic greater than F critical. Result at 0. Therefore, factor affect to the mean. However, at 1%, F critical, how much? Equal to F 213,001. I don't give you here, but it have one value in my slide, 6.7. Or you can use my Microsoft Excel. Open the Microsoft Excel later. You can read by Microsoft Excel. If you want to find F by Microsoft Excel, you can find equal to F invert 005, 001, 2 and 16, 13. Yep, 6.7. Then what happened? Not reject. Therefore, if set that in total at 5% factor affect to the mean. Remember using p-value. Remember, if p-value less than alpha, reject. If p-value greater than alpha, not reject. In this example, I cannot calculate by myself the p-value. I only using Microsoft Excel. But you can guess or estimate value of p-value. For example, my question in my multiple choice, I have a 4 option. A, p-value less than 1%. B, from 1% to 5%. C, 5% to 10%. And D, greater than 10%. For example, in my test or my final exam, using the above test, tell me p-value. Nào, which? Ai trả lời cho biết là cái nào đúng được hay không? Căn cứ trên bài trên. Ta thấy at 5% you reject. Therefore, p-value must be smaller than 5%. Okay? However, at 1%, you not reject. Therefore, p-value must greater than 1%. Therefore, B is correct answer. Okay? Therefore, in my exam and in my midterm, I require you to answer question that which p-value belong to. This side is B. Now, therefore, the ANOVA test is test for equally of every mean. This is the overall test of mean. That means test for equality of every mean. If not reject, that's 0. No different. That means stop. They are the same in mean. Therefore, the factor does not affect. But if reject, S0. There is different. It means in at least one pair. Then the next question. Which pair? For example, the bow S0 mu1 equal mu2 equal mu3. Is rejected. I mean, is one pair. Đừng có nói tất cả đều khác nhau nhá. Cái chỉ nói rejected vậy thì ít nhất một cặp khác nhau chứ không nghĩa là tất cả đều phải khác nhau nhá. Remember, does not mean that every mean. Vậy sẽ có cái tiếp theo gọi là pair mean test. Cái này gọi là support hoc bởi vì nó làm sau khi giảm maneuver. F test for maneuver, overall test for mean, but test for different for each pair. The least significant difference LSD test is test S0 mu I equal mu J. S1 mu I different from mu J. They mean testing for the pair of I and J. The statistic absolute value of Xi and J critical T ms1 ms1 okay. Okay. Then if reject S0, then confidence interval. Now apply. It says that in three groups F1, F2, F3, there is at least one. I consider the first pair. S1, S0. Mu1 equal mu2. Okay, I consider this. I don't write it's S1 mu1 different mu2. Now apply the formula. Statistic equal to absolute X bar 1 minus X bar 2. Now open the slide where X bar 1, 7.6 and 7.5. 0.1. Critical. I copy the, here is T n minus K alpha over 2 and QRT MSW one over N1 and plus 1 over N2. Now T equal to T how much? MSK is 13. And alpha I give at 5%, 0.25. Yeah, at 5%. Square root of what? MSW, how much? Open your slide, MSW here. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, T for 6. And 1, how much? 5%. And 2, 6%. But now, T, how much? Open the, 0.25, 13, 2.16. Now, calculate for me. How much? How much? One point 52, 1.517 more detailedly. Then you see statistic greater than critical. Sorry, smaller. I'm wrong. Smaller. Not reject. S0. Mean of group 1 and 2 are equal. Now, the second pair. On 2 and 2 and 3. I'm copy. I2 bar, I3 bar. I2, how much here? 7.5 and 7.5 and 5.8 equal to how much? 1.7. Here similar, but now the second 6 and 5 not different. 6 and 5 the same. But now you see statistic greater than critical. Reject is 0. Therefore, mean of group 1 and 2 are unequal. Then if they are unequal, I find the confidence interval of the difference. It's statistic plus minus critical. Or 1.7 plus minus 1.517. How much here? 0.183 to how much? 3.217. Okay. Therefore, instead that in general at 5%, mean of group 2 and 3 and T are unequal. And the difference in the interval 0.183 to 2.317. Okay. You can do the similar for the third group. The third pair. Do it at home, please. This is your mu1 and mu3. Your exercise. Okay. Then for the LSD test, apply the statistic. However, Mr. Turkey proves that in some time they can apply the different test. Don't using T statistic, but using Turkey HSD test. Honestly, significant different test. They use a different way. Statistics the same, but critical value is using Q, 2 degree of freedom, K minus K, alpha, not alpha over 2, and square root of N SW over N star. N star is mean of Ni and Nj. For example, apply the Turkey SSD test for pair of group 1 and 2. Now the same, but different in critical value. I change it. The same. Statistics still be here. X bar 1 minus 1, but critical value different. Equal to Q K N minus K and alpha. And square root. Sorry. MSW over N star. Now equal to Q how much? 3 group and 13. And that's 0.005. Here and still be the same. Period 1.346. 1.346 over group 1 and 2. Data include only 1 and 2 is 5 and 2 is 6, and for mean is 5. Now Q, you check in the slide here. 3 and 13, 3.73. How much here? $1.94. The value here different with the period. Using LSD is 1.517. However, using Turkey is 1.94. Still is the same. Therefore, for one problem, one issue, there is not only one test. Which should be used depend on assumption. Ví dụ cái Turkey test kia ấy, thì có thể nó không cần nhất thiết phải dùng cái normality. Như vậy trong trường hợp không normality thì turkey test lại tốt. Còn cái LSD test thì bắt buộc phải user phải có normality. Đấy. For example, LSD test normality assumption. If n smaller than 30, but if n greater than 30 is not. Trong khi Turkey not required. Thế trong trường này thì tùy trường hợp mà dùng, và tiếp theo nếu các bạn làm thật về sau ấy, thực ra những người đi trước người ta đã chỉ ra rồi là dùng test nào là hợp lý. Vậy chúng ta thì là người đi sau sẽ dùng nó mà thôi. Okay, this is the meaning of using a slide and apply Microsoft Excel to calculate. Cái này thì thôi. Còn thêm một trường hợp nữa, trong các giả thiết bên trên ấy nha, đây giả thiết bên trên tôi có nói đến giả thiết là giả thiết nhất là normality này. Vậy nếu không normality có thể dùng Turkey test. Thứ hai là variant phải bằng nhau này. Thì trường variant không bằng nhau thì sẽ dùng cái Dunnett test, mà không dùng Turkey cũng không dùng LDS. Nha. Thì nó sẽ dùng các phần mềm nuôi xe máy tính toán, và cái phần này chúng ta không trình bày ở đây vì nó sẽ rất là dài dòng, máy tính sẽ tự động tính. Tôi dùng Microsoft Excel, đây là bảng Microsoft Excel, ví dụ của tôi các bạn nhìn thấy rất là quen thuộc. SS, Diagram, MS. Okay, this is meaning. And group here 7.6, 7.5 and 5.8. And rate F1, F2, F3. Hoặc là dùng Microsoft XPS thì kết quả là tương tự. Cái này trong bài tutorial sẽ hướng dẫn cách dùng. Okay. This slide and lecture number 4. One way ANOVA or single factor ANOVA and testing on the one way ANOVA using overall mean test and the pair mean test. Okay, any question please ask my tutor. Bây giờ rồi. Ở đây thì không?